Roofing sheet installed without crushing anything. Never make this mistake on your roof again because there's a better way. Went to screw the sheet to make that soap opera roof but forgot the sheet was zinc. Result? Crushed more than can at barbecue circle. Each turn of the screw was a new dent. A mistake many people make thinking they're doing it nice. But there's a way so simple it seems like a joke. With this quick procedure, you fix the sheet without making it look like ironed paper. The correct method works perfectly. Firm sheet without crushing always works.